Hi guys! It's me, Shiny Jiggly. It finally came! It finally came! I got it! Here it is! Da-da-da-da! OX 10 to the C! I won the contest, and this is the thingy that I got. If I can get it out of this thing. There we go. Ha! I got an OX 10 to the C 3D printout thingy. Pretending to be Ash Ketchum. And I also got bubble wrap! And a cool thingy, and a cool package that actually says Shiny Jiggly on it. Awesome. Well, as you probably saw in the contest thread, I'm gonna dance with it. Man, you need a dress. If I could find some of my Barbie clothes or something, I'd dress you up real fine. Okay, this is getting kind of boring. Meh. Well, anyways, I'll just tell you a couple of things about it. Like, it's the low poly version, so it has the visible vertices. I mean, whatever the thingies. It's all chunky and stuff, and that's pretty cool. And it's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but still pretty cool. Like, I can stick it on where I said I would put it up here. Like, right here next to my Vriska horns. Let me lift this up. And of course, my Princess Leia in a bottle. Oh, that's completely ruined by my little brother. And a couple other things, yeah. Fits perfectly on there. Okay. So, yeah. I got it! I can't believe I actually won a contest. I actually won a contest. Well, I guess all I had to do was explain what I was gonna do with it. And since I did, I don't know. Weird. I have no idea. Oh. Bye. Okay, that looks stupid. Bye! Okay, that looked even stupider. Yeah! Okay, I'll stop this video now.